think that this piece looks just magical. Thanks to a little bit of TLC, some Dixie Belle Paint products, and talent from me, Melissa at the Top Drawer RVA. Hello and welcome back to DBTV. I am Melissa and I'm the owner and artist here at the Top Drawer RVA, located in Richmond, Virginia. And before I show you my final reveal of this beautiful secretary project, we're gonna get together and have a little chat about why I did the project this way, how it's gonna benefit my local community, and how I am giving back to my local area in Richmond, Virginia. As part of my job being a Dixie Belle brand ambassador, I really feel like I want to develop a close connection with my community and the people that also sell Dixie Belle Paint products. That's my local retailers, local stores, anybody that I can make a connection with. I feel better about things at the end of the day. I was lucky enough to meet the folks at the Remix Market a couple months ago, and when this project came to mind, I knew they would be the perfect fit. I feel very blessed and lucky to have this job as a Dixie Belle brand ambassador. I am living my dream, staying in my home, painting furniture, creating content and beautiful things, and still being able to use my artistic ability to do what I love and be close to my family. Family is a big part of my everyday life. I'm a mother of 3 children. I have a husband. I love my area. I love Richmond, Virginia. And that is why this project is being donated back to the Remix Market for them to have an online auction. So I'm not sure when you're watching this video, but this secretary actually was sold at online auction this past weekend, the first week of June 2022. So what did I achieve? Partnered with the Remix Market to give back to my community. We were able to raise over $500 to be donated back to Hanover Safe Space. Hanover Safe Space does amazing work here in my local community, and I feel so good about giving back to my community and helping somebody where they might need help. So just know that when you're watching this video, 100% of my time and efforts and the time effort of all the great folks at the Remix Market was all donated back to my local community. So are you ready to see the final result? Are you ready to see what I was able to create with beautiful Dixie Belle Paint products? I'm done. I have all the video right here. Let's dive in and show you the finished product. Remember this journey? Remember coming along with me to the store and finding this gem, this dog-eaten, animal-eaten piece of furniture? I loaded that heavy sucker up, we brought it home, and got started with Dixie Belle. You were able to follow along, watch me work with a little bit of Slick Stick Magic, one of my most favorite Dixie Belle Paint products, and some trendy Would You Bend to fix up all of that dog-eaten cabinet. A little bit of coffee, a little bit of love, and a little bit of paint, and we made some magic happen. This little whimsical beauty ended up covered in antebellum blue, a little ombre, some gold, and of course, the Alice 2 transfer. Could you ever have imagined that this is how she would turn out? She's stately and tall with hidden surprises around every corner. I staged her with cute and tiny gold deer for that little whimsical touch, some vintage photos, and of course, a touch of gold. Well, what do we do now? She's finished. We're going to load her up and take her back to the Remix Market. Now, if you're watching this, you're getting the first glimpse of my family, my home, and my life. That's my husband, Drew, and you get to meet my daughter, Alyssa, in just a quick minute. So when you hear me say painting is a family affair, it truly is. I make them come with me when I have to deliver furniture, pick up furniture, even if they don't always want to do it, at least we're together. Here we are, back at the Remix Market. This location is in Ashland, Virginia. I'm very thankful for my family's help because there is no way I could do this by myself. I got it in on my own, but I don't think I could get it out all by myself. If you're ever in Ashland, Virginia, and you're looking for an amazing thrift store, don't forget to stop in and say hi. And you can find all of your Dixie Belle Paint products located right here. Let's take a quick minute and learn a little bit more about what Hanover Safe Place does. Their mission is to prevent sexual and domestic violence, provide services to those affected, and create community awareness for support and resources. For more information, you can reach Hanover Safe Place at www.hanoversafeplace.com. Well, what do you think? I'm completely finished with my first project for Dixie Belle TV. I thoroughly enjoyed this process of taking you along on my journey from step one to done. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I'll see you again next time. You can click the link in the description to shop all your Dixie Belle Paint products. So a special thank you to the ladies at the Remix Market. Make sure you go follow them on TikTok. They are hilarious. They have so many fun videos. Thank you again to Hanover Safe Space, and thank you to my Dixie Belle community. You know, they say Virginia is for lovers. That's our slogan here in Virginia. And I'm going to make this entire Dixie Belle channel all about the love. So go out, give some love back to your local community, and I will see you again next time.